we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of HARMNHLT wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. That's include plug and play, enjoy anywhere. Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver would be paired right out of the box so that it can be plugged in and then played. No apps, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, and no driver required. Easy to operate and simple to use. Ultra-low latency, stable long-distance transmission. Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver integrate a powerful video encoder/decoder and 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi module with high-sensitivity antennas to provide a high-performance screen mirroring function. Only 0.1 second low latency enables you to enjoy a smooth experience. 1080p wireless transmission. Wireless HDMI kits are designed to wireless stream audio to a big display without delay. This HDMI extender has a resolution of 720p and 1080p. You can add a new feature to your TV and cast some featured apps, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Apple TV and so on. You together with your family and friends can immerse yourselves in movies, live sports, Super Bowl, World Cup, and gaming. Wireless transmission up to 100 feet/30 meters. Wireless HDMI extender offers wireless transmission of audio/video signals and extends them to HDMI displays with an unobstructed transmission range of 100 feet/30 meter. Note: through wall or floor will be shortened to 32 feet/10 meter, allow you to watch online video on bedroom's TV, but receiving the signal from the other room's set-up box. Wide compatibility and multiple usages. Wireless HDMI kits are lightweight and easy to carry for outdoor business presentations. They are compatible with most HDMI output devices, including laptops, desktop computers, Blu-ray players, cameras, DVD players, DSLR cameras, set-top boxes, cable/satellite boxes, tablets, and more. Suitable for conference rooms, home entertainment, and multimedia education. Not recommended for playing games. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.